Did you know you can visit Venice right in the heart of Metro Manila? This is the Venice Grand Canal Mall in McKinley Hill. Stepping inside, the mall combines open-air Italian-inspired architecture with rows of shops and dining options. The real highlight is outside along the canal, where you can watch the gondolas glide past under the lights or even hop on one yourself. Whether you come for the evening atmosphere, caricatures, or just to explore, there's plenty to check out. And before you leave, you have to grab some Bebang Halo-Halo, packed with toppings and super creamy. It's the ultimate way to wrap up the visit.
I've got Bebang Halo-Halo. Look at that.
Would you visit this spot in Taguig? Let me know.